Hi, I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. Now today I'm making a whole bunch of things, but actually really what I want to talk to you about are cauliflowers. Cauliflower is a fantastic vegetable. It's a cruciferous vegetable. It's full of vitamin C, and some of the varieties have vitamin A as well. It's full of fiber, and it's a member of the cancer-fighting cruciferous family. And the more of these fantastic vegetables that we can eat, the better it is for our health. There's all different types of cauliflower. There's the traditional white one that we're all used to, and that one's very popular at the moment for making things like cauliflower rice or cauliflower mashed potato, which is a great substitute if you're trying to cut down on carbs. But there's also purple cauliflower. There's one that looks like cheddar cheese. It's so orange, it's really unbelievably pretty. And then there's romesco cauliflower, which looks like an extraterrestrial plant. Every time I see that, I always think I'm in the twilight zone, but it tastes really good. So in this class, we're going to be showing you some really simple things to do with cauliflower that are going to help you to integrate it into your diet, because it's worth it. Look and learn.